Welcome to the 7th episode of the Success Stories of Global Capability Centers in India. Today, we spotlight Autodesk, a global leader in design, engineering, and entertainment software that has brilliantly harnessed India's immense talent pool to drive innovation and growth. It all began in 2005 when Autodesk set up its very first GCC in Bangalore with a clear vision to tap into the rich pool of local engineering and creative skills. Recognizing the huge potential, Autodesk quickly expanded its presence to key cities such as Hyderabad, Chennai, and Pune. Over the years, Autodesk India has grown into a thriving innovation hub, employing over 3,500 dedicated professionals who have played a pivotal role in transforming some of its flagship products. The talented team in India has been instrumental in evolving AutoCAD by integrating advanced AI-driven features and seamless cloud-based collaboration tools, making design processes smoother and more intuitive for users around the globe. They have also led the charge in sustainable design by creating eco-friendly tools that enhance design efficiency and significantly reduce material wastage and energy consumption. Nearly 30% of the new feature rollouts across the globe now originate from its Indian centers. In the past year alone, the team has filed over 1,200 patents in areas such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced simulation technologies, and their efforts have helped reduce product development time by almost 35%. These milestones have played a significant part in propelling Autodesk's global revenue to surpass the $4 billion mark. Additionally, the Indian centers have been key in tailoring solutions for emerging markets, further strengthening Autodesk's global footprint. Autodesk India's journey is a perfect example of how local talent can drive global success. Their story reflects the true spirit of innovation and the growing impact of India's contribution to the tech world. Ready to tap into India's dynamic talent pool? Partner with Inductus GCC to set up your global capability center in India and experience similar success. Contact us today for more insights.